Hello and welcome back to my channel. Engineer Fucks Things Up, and I am the engineer. Today we are doing an upgrade on my BMW GS. We are going to put on a headlight guard for it. So let's see. And when it's finished, it's going to look something like this. The plexiglass one you can get for this is probably more suited because it's better protection. I just like the look of this more than the plexiglass. So that is why I went with this. So we're going to start with mounting the brackets for it. And I just do one side of the time. I don't want to move the headlight because that is adjusted now. So we're going to try it out without moving it and hopefully we'll be successful. But yeah, we'll see. Now, I have been shooting these videos one after another because I am leaving for work soon, actually tomorrow, so I just need to get as much done so I can edit it when I get on board. And hopefully I will release, I think, once a week maybe. I don't think I will be able to do that all the time because, you know, life is pretty busy. I have 2 kids and I suffer from something called I'll do it myself, so there's not much time to making videos. And yeah, I'm already moving this headlight around, so I think when we're finished I will need to adjust it. Now, like that, and we get the first bracket like this. Oh, there's a washer here that I almost dropped. Let's try and get that into place again. It's fighting me a little bit. Here's the washer I'm talking about. I think I should be able to. Yeah, it really doesn't want to stay in place. It's a little fiddly, but just gotta be patient and it will go smooth. It's not always about working fast. Sometimes you just work slow because slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Anyone watch the TV show called Navy SEALs? Yeah, that's where I got that from, but you know, it checks out. Probably would be easier if I didn't have the windscreen in place, but I'm hoping that I don't have to take it off. Just get the bolt through the washer and I just try to line up the bolt hole. There we go. Few threads in. Try to tighten that one down. First, it's a little bit fiddly, but I think, well, I'm able to see where it was before, so that. I'm going to tighten this down and we move over to the next side and take that. Yeah, seems to be pretty straight. Get the second bracket. I have a small cold, so if you hear me snoring a little bit, snorting a little bit, that's why. Careful that I don't lose the washer when I take out the bolts. Here, same washer came out again. Okay, let's see if we can get this in place in an orderly fashion. Use the same tactic as on their side. Just get the bolt inside the hole of the washer and just find the hole. Get a few threads in it. And that actually went a lot smoother than the other side. I'm still maybe it wasn't smart of me to clamp down the other side completely, but I think it's pretty lined up now, so I'm just gonna tighten this side up and then we get the grill on. Okay, now let's bring the holder. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the holes on the bracket doesn't line up all that well. I just apply some force on it. I should be able to get them in. Just take this side first. And if you see me working and I accidentally hit the paint on the beak or something like that, just because I'm not worried about the paint job on this bike, because it is an adventure bike. It's going to be used, it's going to be scratched anyway. So yeah, I try not to scratch it on purpose, but if it gets some damage, it happens. If you buy an adventure bike and you're worried about the paint, you should probably buy another bike, because then adventure bike riding is not for you. Actually, I'm going to lower the bike a little bit so it's easier to work on. And just going to adjust the camera a little bit. This is actually for lifting cars, but it works well for me working on my bike also. And depending on what side I'm working mostly on, I just use this one or the next one, because I don't want to use money for a motorcycle lift if I don't have to. That's the thing, you want to keep costs down, so you can afford doing this hobby. Even if you don't have a lot of money, you can still enjoy it. Just use what you have. That is, be creative. That's important. That's in the first one. Make sure that's on the outside. Oops. And I'll take the upper one on this side. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing there, that I'm not stepping in the way of the camera too much. I haven't been filming a lot, so it's new for me also, but for sure my videos will get better as I progress, hopefully. It's just something I wanted to do, you know, this YouTube videos. Wanted to try it, and hopefully I can help some people on the way and you find what I'm doing interesting. This one, and then we have the last one. I was worried about the holes not lining up good, but the holes are actually a bit bigger than the bolts, so it's not an issue aligning it. Okay, and got that, and I'll get myself the correct key. Okay. I need to tighten it some more. Okay, we're going. Just gonna hand tighten everything first, see how it lines up. That is coming along nicely, I think. I really like the look of the grill compared to the plexiglass, as I mentioned earlier. I just think it looks more rugged, you know, just more, yeah, more of an adventure bike than you put this see-through plexiglass on it. It just, yeah, kind of dull. That. Now we're going to tighten them. Using a pretty big ratchet, so I just go to gently tighten them. I don't want to over tighten. That. So if there's been only videos about motorcycles on my channel so far, but the plan is to show a lot more than just this. It just happens to be what I'm working on right now. But I'm also going to show some tractor repairs, boat maintenance, maintenance of the tractor, car maintenance, you know, things that need fixing, pumps, electro, motors, yeah, anything that needs fixing or upgrading or service, whatever. Okay, that's on, and I am quite happy with that. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.